Check this out, man. You want to see something crazy? Some people say life's too short for QRP. I say, really? Watch this. Here's my response. See the power? $5. You want to see who heard me? Check this out. Now, I know the video sucks, but look. That's too bright, isn't it? You know what, man? Check it out. Tango Box 3 Yankee. 5 watts, man. And the Michigan Cacti. If you showed me that and said, yeah, man, check what I did with a kilowatt, I'd laugh so hard I'd probably spit on you. Is life too short for QRP? Oh, I don't know. Not my life. QRP is perfect for my life. 73, and I hope your will.